So this is an area that you access after you like remove the luggage tray. Now, I don't actually show the luggage tray removal. Some people call it a package tray, whatever you want to call it. I don't show that removal in this video because I want to keep that all together in the luggage tray sort of repair episode. So I don't show me taking out that luggage tray in this episode, but basically you're going to access this area with the luggage tray out. And basically what happens is, you know, where your luggage tray is, you've got the fender and then your luggage tray, and that is spot welded on. Basically between those two panels, you're just going to get rust. These are like 50-year-old cars. You're going to find rust and you're going to want to repair it. So luckily I still had some fender well aftermarket sort of panels that I could patch some pieces in, and I know some will say, well, why didn't you just do the whole thing at once? Well, I didn't know that there was rust there. You don't know there's rust there until you take it apart. I mean, we wish and we hope and we pray that there isn't rust where we think there's rust. And so this is just one of those cases where I thought, well, I'll just do where I know the rust is, and as we go, if it's got rust, then we'll deal with it then. And so basically when I got to that point, it was just like, okay, we got rust. We'll repair it now. But I can't go and just repair everything just for the sake of repairing it if it doesn't need fixing. I just want to fix what needs to be fixed. That's just my philosophy. You may have a different philosophy. It's right for you, and what I'm doing is right for me. You will see in the video too, I kind of compare some welds that I had done in January, and now this is April. So this is January, February, March, April. Like 4 months, 4 months of basically doing nothing but metalwork. You can see the progress of my welds. And so that's just a little tidbit for you that just shows that if you're consistent and you're going out there and trying to be better every day, you will actually get better. I will say though too that this area was easier to weld because the pieces that needed to go in there, it was actually a double 2 sheets of sheet metal like put together. So it was like a double panel. And so that extra thickness just made things really easy to weld in this area. Less blow throughs, you could turn up your heat a little bit, and it just was actually not such a bad place to repair. Kind of annoying to have to go and repair this area, but again, you have to, when you find rust, you have to get rid of it. That's your best shot for a car that's going to last for decades again. So this video is already pretty long, so I'm just going to cut it short here. I think mostly it'll be self-explanatory from the video, what's happening here. You guys are familiar now. You cut out the rust, you make your panel, you weld it in. So yeah, hopefully that helps someone, or at least gives a visual of what's down there, because I know sometimes there's not really great reference videos or pictures for some of these areas, so hopefully this helps someone. Alright guys, so I haven't done like a video update in a while, but I'm just gonna show you what's happening here. So we've got the other side done, but first just have a look, the difference here. This was January, this was yesterday. So progress is being made, guys. So sometimes it's good to look backwards to look forwards. So good things happening. Anyways, I got a little patch to do here. The patch I had just didn't quite fill the whole thing, so we're gonna patch that. And then right down here is some more rust that we've discovered. So we're going to cut that out and do the best we can to fix that up. And then after that, it's just, we're gonna do what we did on the other side, get rid of paint. Probably, I'm thinking, oh, that actually feels pretty good. I might not have to open that, but I might open it still so I can get rid of some of that foam. Get rid of rust. Gonna do a bunch of stuff down here. You know, since it's all open and easy, we'll try and get it looking kind of like that on that side. Prep for paint. Future plans. So yeah, that's what we've got going on today. Just a little bit more to happen here, and then we can start thinking about package tray going in. It's looking good.